Hello everyone, in this video we want to find the value of z from this equation. Solution. Now let us factor out 2 raised to power root z from the left hand side of the equation, and we are going to have 2 raised to power root z bracket 1 plus 1 equal to 16, because if we multiply it back we are going to get this. 1 plus 1 will give us 2, so we are going to have 2 raised to power root z multiplied by 2 equal to 16. So let us divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 8. So the equation becomes 2 raised to power root z equal to 8. But I want you to note that 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. So we can substitute 2 raised to power 3 for 8 in this equation. We are going to have 2 raised to power root z equal to 2 raised to power 3. Since base of both sides are equal, that means we can equate the power to each other. I can say root z is equal to 3. To get the value of our z, let us square both sides. Raised to power 2 raised to power 2. This cancel this. Z equal to 3 raised to power 2 is 9. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.